Hello people. In this video I'll explain you about Stack and Heap because it's an important topic for dynamic memory management. We can simply say Stack is simple, fast and static, and Heap is complex, slower and dynamic. So the full control is one of the most important features of C++. We must know some differences between Stack and Heap. Let's take a look at them. Definition: Stack, fast, temporarily memory used for function calls and local variables. And Heap, dynamically allocated memory used for long-lived objects. Lifetime: Stack, automatically destroyed when function scope ends. Heap exists until manually deleted or managed by smart pointers. We will make videos about new keyword and smart pointers. Size: Stack small and limited, and Heap large, can go up to gigabytes. Stack management is automatic and Heap management is manual. Allocation time: Stack compile time or during function call, and Heap runtime while program is running. Memory leak risk: there is no memory leak risk on Stack, but in Heap, if we forget about using delete, it's possible. Resizability: Stack is static and Heap is dynamic. Overflow risk: Stack possible and Heap has low overflow risk because, as we told, Heap is bigger. Typical use cases: Stack small local variables, function parameters, short-lived data, and Heap large data blocks, runtime sized arrays, long-lived objects, polymorphic objects. That's all for now. This topic forms the basis for what follows. It's actually a much deeper topic, but that's enough for the answer to the question why work on Heap in future videos. If you'd like to learn more, you can search by searching for Stack and Heap. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.